Good morning, class. How you doing? My name is Wadarius Watson. Today I will be talking about my family. This first picture is a picture of me and my sister at my daddy's grave site. Este soy yo mier hermente en nuestra tumba de papa. This second picture is a picture of my mama. Esta es mi encantadora mama. Tengo la mejor mama vida. This third picture is a picture of me and one of my favorite cousins. Este es uno de mis primeros favoritos, el juego como corredor de los Tigers de Auburn. The fourth picture is another picture of me and a different cousin. Este soy yo saliendo con mi primo. This next picture is a picture of me and somebody I train, a good friend of mine. Esto soy yo while la chica más genial que conozco. This last picture is a picture of me and my auntie. Esta es mi tia Whitney.